Dear students, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Today's our new chapter is integer. Integer is a number system. This is a number system which is denote to represent our numbers. We are usually used 2 or 3 types of number system. First is natural number, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. The another one is whole number, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are the whole numbers. In natural number we will add a 0, then it's called whole number. Now next are our integer. Integers are normally a natural number, but in natural numbers there are only positive number. In whole number the positive numbers and 0 are included. In integer number we included negative numbers also. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are the whole numbers. When we included negative numbers in this called integer number. So integer number having positive and negative numbers. The another one is decimal numbers. The another one is rational number or decimal number. In these numbers, minus 3, minus 2.5, minus 2, minus 1.5, minus 1, minus 0.5, 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, etc. etc. These are the numbers are decimal number. In decimal number there are the integer number and decimal numbers also included in this. These are the decimal number. In this chapter we will study about the integers number. Integer number is a positive and negative numbers. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next topic, the number line. The next is number line. In this number line we will draw a scale, a straight line. We will draw a straight line. In the middle of this we denote 0. In the middle of this line we denote 0. Now we will take equal distance. We will take equal distance to denote other numbers. We will use equal distance. Here is, this is our right side, this is our left side. In right side we will place positive numbers. In left side there are the negative numbers. In right side we place positive number, in left side we will place negative number. The left side is smaller than right side. Here is the number which is small, and when we moving to left side the number will be small. When we moving to right side the number is larger. In left side there are the smaller numbers. In right side they are the larger numbers. 0, 1 is larger than 0, 2 is more larger, 3 is more, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These are the numbers, and here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. This is our a number line. The number line can also represent like this. This is our straight line. In the middle part we denote 0. In upper part, this is our upper part. In upper part we will place positive numbers. In lower part we will place negative numbers. We will use equal distance to denote the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the positive numbers, and negative numbers is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. In upper part we will place positive numbers, in lower part we will place negative numbers. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our exercise. Now we are taking exercise 6.1, question number first. Write the opposite of the following. We will use opposite words. Part A, increase in weight. The opposite of increase is decrease. Decrease in weight. 30 km north, the opposite of north. This is our north, so opposite is south. This is our east, then this is west. The opposite of north is south. (30 km south). 30 km north, opposite is 30 km south. 80 meter east, the opposite of east. Opposite of east is west. 80 meter west. Lose of rupees 700. The opposite of lose is gain or profit. Gain of rupees 700. 100 meter above. 100 meter above. The opposite of above is below. 100 meter below sea level. These are the opposite. Increase, decrease, north, south, east, west, lose, gain, above, below. These are the opposites. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 2. Represent the following numbers as integers. We will represent these numbers in integer form with appropriate signs, means plus or minus. The number with plus or minus. First is, an aeroplane is flying at the height 2000 meter above the ground. This is our ground level. The plane is here. This is 2000. The plane is 2000 from above, from the ground level. We know that the ground level is over 0. This is above. Above will denote by plus. So answer is plus 2000. Now next one. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. If the sea level is this is our 0. Here is a submarine which is below. Below means minus 800. 800. So answer is minus 800. Now next one is a deposit of rupees 200. When we deposit amount in our bank, now our bank balance will be increased. Increasing number will denote by plus. plus 200. 200. Now next is withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal. When we take amount, we will take amount from our account. The amount of our account will be decreased. In case of decrease, we will show by minus. So withdrawal is decreased. So denote by minus 700. 700. A aeroplane flying at the height 2000 meter above. Above will denote by plus 2000. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below. Below means minus 800. A deposit of rupees 200. Deposit. When we deposit, our bank balance will be increased. In increased case, we will denote by plus 200. Withdrawal of rupees 700. When we withdraw, our amount in our bank will be decreased. In case of decrease, we will show by minus. So minus 700. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Our next question is question number 3. Represent the following numbers on a number line. Plus 5, minus 10, plus 8, minus 1, minus 6. The larger number is minus 10 and plus 8. So we will take a number line of plus 10 and minus 10. The larger number is 10 and 8. So we will take 10. We will draw a number line minus 10 to plus 10. So here we will take a large number line. Middle part of this is 0. Now we will show the number with equidistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. In the middle part of this is 0 and we will take equidistance points. Now first is plus 5. In right side, here is positive number and here is negative number. Then plus 5. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 5. Minus 10. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Here is minus 10. Plus 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is 8. So plus 8. Minus 1. 0. Then minus 1. Minus 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. Here is minus 6. Here is minus 6. These are the numbers at number line. First of all, we will draw a line. In the middle part of this, we will denote 0. Now taking equidistance point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here are the positive number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here are the negative number. Positive numbers and negative numbers. Now denote plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is plus 5. Minus 10. Here is 0. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Here is minus 10. Plus 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 8. Minus 1. This is 0. So this is over minus 1. Minus 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. Here is minus 6. This is our number line and denotes different numbers on number line. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Our next question is question number 4. Adjacent figure is a vertical number line. This is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. First is, if point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? This is a figure. Here is 0 and this is plus 8. So we will locate plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and plus 8. These are the numbers. In above we will denote positive numbers. Below from origin we will denote negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. These are the numbers on number line. Now, if point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? Plus 8 is D, minus 8 is F. Minus 8 is F. The answer is minus 8 is F. Is the point G a negative integer or a positive integer? G is which integer, positive or negative? G, here is G with negative 6. So G is negative integer. Negative integer. G is a negative integer. Write integers for points B, E. B is 4, B is plus 4, E is minus 10, B is plus 4 and E is minus 10. B is plus 4, B is plus 4, E is minus 10. Next is, which point marked on this number line has the least value? Least, minimum value. The negative numbers are least, so minus 10, E. Which point marked on this number line? E point. Point E is least, having least value. Point E having least value. Point E having least value. Arrange all the points in decreasing order. In decreasing order, we will place highest value first and lowest value last. In decreasing order, we will place highest value point first in first position, lowest value point in our last position. In first position, highest is plus 8, so first position is D. Then C, B, A, H, G, F and E. D, C, B, A, H, G, F and E. Highest is first point, lowest is last point. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 5. Following is the list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of year. This is a list of temperature of 5 different places. Place temperature: Siachen 10 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade. Shimla 2 degrees centigrade below 0 degree centigrade. Ahmedabad 30 degrees centigrade above 0 degree centigrade. Delhi 20 degrees centigrade above 0 degree centigrade. Srinagar 5 degree centigrade below 0 degree centigrade. Now first part, write the temperature of these places in form of integers in the blank column. Here is the integers. Now we will denote the integers with appropriate sign of plus and minus. Below, minus, below means minus 10, the integer is minus 10. Below, minus 2, minus 2. 30 degree centigrade above, above means plus, plus 30. 20 degree above, above means plus 20. 5 degree centigrade below, below means minus 5. These are the integers. 10 degree below minus 10, 2 degree below minus 2, 30 degree above plus 30, 20 degree above plus 20, 5 degree below minus 5. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now the answer of part first, Siachen, which is 10 degree below, denotes by integer minus 10. Simla is 2 degree centigrade below, so this is minus 2. Ahmedabad is 30 degree above, so this is plus 30. Delhi is above 20 degree, so this is plus 20. Srinagar is 5 degree below, so this is over minus 5. Now taking part B. Following is a number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. This is a number line which represents the temperature. Here is 0, these are the positive temperature and these are the negative temperature. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. In this number line we will place the city. First of all, Siachen minus 10. Here is minus 10. This is over Siachen. Simla is minus 2. Here in this number line, which is equally divided in 5 parts. In this block, the number line is equally divided in 5 parts. So here is 0, minus 1, minus 2. Here is minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Equally 5 parts. So 1 and 2, minus 2. Here is minus 2. Minus 2 is over Simla. This is Simla. Now next is Ahmedabad plus 30. Here is plus 30. This is over Ahmedabad. Now Delhi is plus 20. Delhi. Now Srinagar is minus 5. Here is minus 5. So minus 5 for Srinagar. Simla is minus 2. Here is minus 2. Siachen is minus 10. Srinagar is minus 5. Delhi is plus 20. Ahmedabad is plus 30. This is our answer. Which is the coolest place? Which is the coolest? The coolest place is Siachen. It having the least value minus 10. So answer is Siachen. The hottest place is Ahmedabad. Coolest place is Siachen. Hottest place is Ahmedabad. Write the name of places where temperature are above 10 degree. Here is 10 degree. Above from here, Delhi and Ahmedabad. The name of cities are Delhi and Ahmedabad, which are 10 degree above. You can take a screenshot of this. We will take our next question in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.